staff messaging on the School Spider website administrator. So once you've logged in, if you want to go to the top where this green button is here with the 2 speech bubbles, it will then give you a list of all the direct messages that are available for you. So here is a list of all the messages. You can send a new message by clicking here. You can then click the members of staff that you would like to send a message to. You can give them an email notification, which means that when a message is posted in this chat, they'll get an email. Also, if you would like it to be created as a group chat, then you keep this ticked. If not, if you want to send 2 separate messages, then you just tick here. You can give the group a name, and you can type here. We go into one of these chats, so we can reply. You reply to your message. They will then get an email notification.